benefit me? So we are going to see right now. Because without benefit, why we have to do it? If somebody is studying, there is a benefit, right? So they knows it. One fine day, they'll become an employee, they get a salary, they take care of it. So to fulfill those needs, they have to go through their education, 10th standard, then plus 2, then some graduation. They spend these many years, 15 to 60 years, 16 years, 15 to 16 years to complete their education. Then they are eligible to get a job. Similarly, we all have to finish 21 days of our program to be eligible to get all the time happiness, healthy, peace, everything, confidence, all. My dear friends, we all need to understand meditation is one of the important because it has so many benefits. Why education is important? Because it has so many benefits. Otherwise, why they are investing a lot of money and time into the education, going for a full-time education, and why they are spending a lot of money on education and time? Because they know there is important future after completion of their graduation. Similarly, meditation is also so important. It has so many benefits out of it. So, because the answers what we used to have from within, we used to get 100% answer from within. Whatever the questions we have, we used to get answers from within. From outside, we may get 90 percentage or 80 percentage, but still we are not satisfied with those answers. But the answer is coming from within, is going to satisfy us because we know this is the reason why I am doing it. You have a question about your life. Maybe other people, whatever the explanation they are giving, you are not satisfied with it. Then in that case, you must have to understand there is something wrong. So that is where we must have to meditate. So here we gave, because all answers cannot be answered by Google. So you have to go within your own self. Then you have to understand what I would be getting it. After doing meditation, we will lose so much and we will gain so much. What we are going to lose is anxiety, depression, negative thoughts, anger, unnecessary anger on parents or family or friends, whomever it is, or your colleagues, illness. People take sick leaves, irritation for a small thing. Got irritation. Instead of finding a solution, we got irritated. There is some file got deleted. We have to find out how I can recover the file. Instead of that, we get irritated. So anxiety, depression, negative thoughts, anger, illness, irritation. These are all the negative from our end, within our body and mind. We have to lose those. How? By searching in Google, you will not lose your depression. By searching in Google, you will not lose your anger. You have to understand what made me to get anger, or what made me to go in depression, or what made me to get irritation. We have to identify the root cause and we have to fix the problem. How will you identify the root cause? You have to be with your breath. You have to close your eyes. You have to search within, not outside. Once you started searching within, then you will see that, okay, yes, this is the reason I got an anger. This is the reason I got a depression. This is the reason I got irritation. Then you try to find a solution for that problem. Then now you have a solution. Then you deal the situations accordingly. You might have got so much of negative thoughts, maybe because of watching news or social media. So instead of thinking why it happened so, we are so worried. We have to identify the root cause which is causing me this problem. Then we have to fix the problem. These are the negative things what we have. We have to lose those. We don't want those more, right? We wanted to reduce it or we wanted to minimize it. We wanted to make it zero. Then what you gain after doing meditation? Peace of mind. Everybody need peace of mind. The ministers or chief minister or a business leaders, they go to meditation masters because they knows these people are talented, technically good, everything, they have power and everything, but still they goes to a meditation master, they go to um, Himalayas, or they go to meet some of the meditation teachers. Why? Because the meditation teacher is living in Himalayas, they don't have anything, they don't have power, they don't have money, but still they have a peace of mind. You understand? This is a science overall because they meditate. So meditation is giving them peace of mind. A leader has everything in their business, in their company and everything, but still he's lost the peace. By meditating every day, every human being get the peace automatically. So that is where we all need to understand. We all need to understand that peace is within. Improve thought power. You think only after meditation, you think only positive or miraculous thinking. No negative thinking, no disastrous thinking at all. Only you think positive or you think miraculous. Then natural healing. Automatically, the self-healing happens. When you are meditating, the self-healing happens. In 1990, when Padri sir started a PSSM movement, he said all the diseases will be healed. The people was not believed initially. Now there are millions of people practicing meditation daily. They overcome from all their health issues, from migraine headache to cancer. Now those are the people who are teaching meditation. Those are the people who are becoming part of the spiritual service because they got their own benefit, they got their own transformation. Natural healing happens automatically. Positive thinking. We all need to have thinking positive. My health will become better. My life will become better. I will get a job. Or I will get money. Maybe right now my financial condition is not good. I will get money. That is a positive thinking. So I will get it for sure. There is no doubt or there is no negative thinking that I may not. And quality relationships within the family. We all need to have a good relationships. Otherwise, we won't feel living happily. We all need to have good relationship with our family, friends, relatives, everybody. How? Without thinking, we just speak. After that, we just say sorry. Instead of before you speak, you think 10 times, then you won't speak that word. So after speaking, you say sorry. I was in anger or I was in something mode. I just told that don't take it. Sorry for that, which is not good. The moment you hurt somebody with your words, then you cannot take it back. Your sorry cannot be an answer for them. Still, they are running with that mindset, right? Because this person told me about this. Okay, this person said to me like this. That is where we, many of us, lose the relationship with our friends, our family. That is where the most important thing. Improved concentration. For studying what we need, concentration. For doing anything what we need, concentration. For doing a work what we need, concentration. For sitting in the class for every day, morning 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, you need concentration. Otherwise, You are being in the class, you are thinking something else, which will not help us. Automatically, the concentration improves. To become a better student, to become a good student, they need concentration. So that is where these are the positive things which gets improved automatically. You don't have to do anything. You have to meditate. Every day you meditate. These things will happen naturally. The negative emotions goes down. The negative feelings, the negative situations goes down. The positive things will increase automatically. You are not doing anything. It's happening. It's a regular process. However, the digestive system in the body works, right? It cleans the food, whatever we used to have. It cleans our stomach. It's a regular process. Similarly, meditation is the process where it has to remove the negativity, it has to improve or increase the positivity within ourselves. We want it to be more positive and less negative. So earlier you used to get anger for very small things. Now you may be getting anger rarely. Rare situations. You may get anger. It's okay. But now you are dealing the situations in by thinking before you speak. Generally we do just judgments, right? When I'm working with my team, I also sometimes earlier but not now. So we used to do judgments without knowing full. We have to think what actually happened. Then after that we speak. After doing the judgment, we got to know the reality is something different. We say sorry. That does not help them because they already got hurt. In most of the people lives in village, they used to hurt somebody with their words, not with the swords or knives. They don't need. They just need just their words to hurt somebody. That is not the good way. How can we control that? By meditation every day. We don't hurt anybody. After meditation, you don't hurt unnecessarily. So this is what the major benefit of meditation. Because your relationship with your team, you are working in a team, you are working in a school, you are working in a college, or you are working in a IT company. What you need? You need to have good relationship with others, your colleagues, your team members. Without having that good relationship, how will you manage it? That is where, my dear friends, meditation helps us to gain all this. Now, we all will meditate before start of the meditation. So let me show you the meditation posture to all of you. Because there might be some new people joined today. I see. Before that, okay, someone, whoever is wearing glasses, please remove glasses. If someone is wearing the digital watches, please remove that. Those are not required. And turn on your videos so that we can see that you are all doing the right meditation. Please turn on your videos before you sit in meditation. Okay. Let me show you the slide. Wait for a while. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. Mm, okay. Now I'll share this. This is how all need to sit. If you are sitting on the floor, just cross your legs, clasp your fingers like this, lock your fingers, then close your eyes, be with your breath. If you are sitting on the chair, in order to keep it is straight, your body not required, you can just get relaxed. No need to pressurize the body. You just be relaxed. Just clasp your fingers and you have to cross your legs. In this sitting on the chair, you just have to cross your legs and close your eyes. Be with your breath. That's it. I'll play the music. So just turn on your videos, remove your digital watches and remove the glasses. Please be with your breath. I'll guide you at the time of meditation. Just go, we all go in a meditation for the next few minutes. Please don't open your eyes till I say okay. Observe your normal natural breath.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much for joining the session. We want to see you all the days. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, masters. Thanks to everybody for joining the sessions. And today, again, we'll meet tomorrow at 9 a.m. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.